Yes, I can have it speaking English. Even for French speaking countries, we can never speak English in all African countries. I can understand for cannot different countries with the nations. Let's get started on nations with the bomber versionality. Derek.
Equestria Girls, Legend of Everfree. French-speaking African nations match, 20 countries. Twilight Sparkle, Saitui, Gabon. A smart and analytical leader, matching Gabon's rich natural resources and scientific potential. Sunset Shimmer, Niger. A character of growth and resilience, reflecting Niger's determination in a challenging environment. Rainbow Dash, Central African Republic. Bold and energetic, symbolizing strength despite instability. Applejack, Chad. Hardworking and dependable, like Chad's agricultural backbone. Pinkie Pie, Guinea. Joyful and lively, representing Guinea's vibrant culture. Fluttershy, Cameroon. Gentle and caring, reflecting Cameroon's biodiversity. Rarity, Mali. Elegant and artistic, matching Mali's cultural heritage. Gloriosa Daisy, Senegal. Nature connected and strong, symbolizing Senegal's balance of tradition and growth. Timber Spruce, Ivory Coast. Adaptable and resourceful, like Ivory Coast's economy. Spike, Burkina Faso. Loyal and brave, representing resilience. Principal Celestia, DR Congo. Wise leadership, matching vast potential. Vice Principal Luna, Djibouti. Strategic and observant, like Djibouti's location. Flash Sentry, Equatorial Guinea. Supportive and steady. Lyra Heartstrings, Republic of the Congo. Curious and unique. Sweetie Drops, Togo. Friendly and balanced, Trixie, Burkina Faso. Bold personality. Sandalwood, Benin. Relaxed and thoughtful. Octavia Melody, Rwanda. Refined and disciplined. Water Melody, Burundi. Creative spirit. Gaia Everfree, Madagascar. Powerful connection to nature.